Looks just as good as the last one.
Is that the stereo? DMS on? Yeah. You don't know the people, right?
Yeah, I
This is 0-0 right now.
Yeah.
So who's playing?
Sorry?
So
Revolver and Gamer. He's the leader of our
oh,
Thank you, I got body. It was close though.
DMS. DMS. What was the score? What was the score?
3-0. Last game was Pixels, last other game was Revolver. Yeah, that's
is DMS's new game misses?
Started off with Marvel.
That sounds about right.
Then he moved to NRS.
I don't want to see all of that. It's very hard to do both.
Oh, damn. Nice.
There you go, Blake.
Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy.
It's 1-0 for Revolver.
Oh my god. Oh!
Revolver did super good.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh man, it's over.
Oh my god. Like, what are you supposed to do, man?
They had the laser on him and trap in front. It's like, fuck, man. You gotta work that. Actually, Batman could have gotten that double jump.
Nice.
And even though I don't know why he even have that.
Double jump? What, the jump? Yo. Oh yeah, with the double. Yeah.
Ooh! Ooh, the trap! Nice. Nice. That's weird.
The interact status out there.
How did he even trigger it?
You can trigger.
Oh, that's broke.
As long as you see it, as long as you view, you just hit R2 again.
Oh shit.
That's why this is a really good stage for green arrow.
It's
You
R1.
can just like hit you with like fire arrows and then just.
Okay. I did not know that.
I think you might have enough time to hit a fire arrow, maybe a chargeable, switch to ice. Because like when they, even when you're all the way across the screen, like it'll just pop you through the dark.
Ooh. Ooh! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yo,
Wow.
if you had a mark, that'd be like,
Yeah, get hype. Do it, throw those, throw them. Battery.
Woo! Nice.
Battery. Yeah, do it, get hype. Battery.
oh my god.
Nice.
So okay. Like the reader burn forces you to stand like
Shoots the rapper.
no. When Lex does the vortex.
Oh yeah, it sucks. It's just like set. Don't suck him in.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Oh my god.
So like you get a standard reset game like Batman all the time.
Yeah. Like it works better in the corner.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they can like backdash.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, ooh. Uh-oh.
When this trade is active, he doesn't take any chips.
Oh, really?
Oh, only on level 3.
Nice.
2-2. Woo! Last match.
Did he get that in the past?
Oh no, are we going to the dumpster? Are we going to the dumpster? Okay.
Thank you.
Dodged a bullet.
Level 1, level 2, level 3. I don't like fighting like this and go like turned up. But if you just hold it and backdash, you can still go level 2. do all of this content.
Okay.
I'm with you, chill for that.
Oh, like, yeah, just like that.
Gaming guy, he's a buyout.
What are the different levels?
I think level 3, he doesn't take any check damage, and
He can fully absorb a hit.
I don't know how level 1 and 2 work. Nobody uses it.
No, okay, level 1 and 2, he takes damage. Like, if he absorbs the hit, but level 3, he takes no damage.
Yeah, get high. Battering, high. Zone that man. Zone it. Zone it. Zone it. Zone that man.
Oh, the back got rid of the armor. Ooh! Oh, nice. That was a nice use of bat. Yeah. 1 sec.
You want that?
Woo!
Golden battering. Yeah, golden battering. Get shit. Battering.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
No regrets over losing to you.